All right, thank you. I have a campfire and a custom pool.
Become a very exclusive. Instead of going the other side in public.
And you do infinity.
I'm not cheating.
I'm not understanding how big it is. It looks very big.
No, I don't know. No life what? Life garden.
Our dog pedo to Barekao. Come and sit here and swing here. Yeah? You don't think this thing can carry your kilos?
We're no longer going to look for lions at this point.
You're not looking for the lions no more?
Who wants lions?
My people.
Ask them. I'm going to bitch about this thing the whole time. Peace.
Well, you're not going to... You're meditating. Take off your shoes.
Just take off my shoes.
Right? That's how you meditate. These people will jump in and let you know. Okay, hi guys. People, this year I chose no voiceovers, but let's just base. This is the Dunia thingy at the Nile Safari Lodge. So I guess this is like the lounge area, the sitting area. You get a dining table with four chairs. I don't know who they don't expect to sit, because this is an 8-room kind of people, for kids and for adults. They're very specific about that. Children are people below 15, I guess that's what they said. Then you have 2 chairs and a sitting area, sport-ish thingy my sister passing in her hot girl era. Then you have like a laundry basket, something like just aesthetics, I think, actually, and then a table. And then on this end we have a mini fridge with complimentary drinks, ice making machine. I would appreciate a thank you, but I'll take anything. Ice making machine, some glasses and a sink, I think so, and then soaps. Then you have storage and safes, umbrellas. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you one room because the rooms are pretty much identical. You guys just messed up the bed. Wow. Where are your things here? Like, carry your suitcase up. I need to see what's up though. Aesthetics. We've been here for a while, so things are here and there, but a bed for the adults, and then the kids go upstairs. We'll go there in a bit. And then a sitting chair ish, art or whatever this is. Aesthetics. Everything is grass thatched, high roofs, high ceilings. Who is falling? High ceilings, glass windows, and then another chair and like a study area, and then that thingy where you can keep stuff, a bed where we're gonna sleep. Brother at the top. How big are those beds?
More.
Yeah, but you're small people, you'll make it work. Okay, let me check out the bathrooms and come. A mirror for a girl in her hot girl era, but the lighting is not doing me justice. The toilet. Lots of toilet paper. This time it's not cheap toilet paper, so happy to see that. Soap, towels. I like that everything here is clean and crisp. And then me in my hot girl moment, bodysuit from Zara. I live for these bodysuits. Then we have slippers, bathroom slippers. I think there should be more pairs than 2 because we are more people. Oh, that's their laundry basket, she said. Towel, whatever. And then sink and blah blah blah. Mirror. I don't know what that is, but I guess you're supposed to sit there or something as you do your morning routine. A monsoon shower. Like, I can't wait for the showers here. And then those things, stones, The slippers again. I think they're more slippers, honestly, because they're supposed to be for people here. Yeah, more slippers, shower robes, towels. The towels are very crisp. I haven't touched them, but I feel like, yeah, they look like a pretty nice quality cotton towel. More storage if you have a million things. A kathingi there. So there's another room on the other side that is exactly the same, so we're not going to go to it because, I mean, what's the point? It's the same. We're going to go upstairs. I don't like these things, but let's make it work. Oh no, the things are very steep. Brother's suitcases, and then beds. Beds. Yeah, a bed and another bed. That's all these boys need, really. Okay. A fan, and then beds for the boy child. They've already put their stuff there, so yeah, we'll make it work. Let's go outside and see what is happening.